So today I'm cooking okra and tomato balls and this is chili with carrots and onions, and this is breads. I'm gonna put some feta also too. It's gonna be a good day. That's all the compost. Second step, flour, egg, lots of goodies over here. I'm not going to tell you my specialty and my secret here. You can ask me later. This is how they look like before frying. Coming up, next one coming up this way. Okay, this way now. This is the good tomato balls, tomato paste later on. And this is the popcorn okra that look like this before frying. They're getting ready, so I have to stop. I hope you guys like this. Μια χαρά βγήκαν όλα. Καλημέρα.